Microsoft Windows can be used to create mobile hotspots so that you can share your internet connection instantly. To do that, let's go to the notification area right over here. And then from notification area, you can see that there's an option right here. So if you don't see it, it may be collapsed. So you can expand this out, and here you can see that there's an option for mobile hotspot. Simply click on it, and then a Wi-Fi is generated for you so that other devices can connect it. But you can also go and see its options for mobile hotspot. For that, I'm going to go on to the start menu right here. I'm going to right click over here, and then I'm going to go to settings right over here. And from settings, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to network and internet, and then on the left side you can see that there's mobile hotspot. So right now it's off, as you can see, and here I have a choice whether I want to share it via my LAN network cable or I want to share my Wi-Fi. So just like this, I can share the internet connection with Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. So these are my options, as you can see right here. Wi-Fi is much more faster in comparison. So usually that's the default one I use. And over here you can see that there's the network name, password, and network band. So you can go on to edit right over here and change out the name right here. So you can say something like TutorTube right over here, and then you can change out the password right over here, and then choose the band as well. So you want to share via 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz, you can choose it out. Usually for older devices, it's suggested that you choose 2.4 because 5 GHz is usually supported for newer devices. So you can select the one out which is suitable for your device. But usually leaving it to any available would be okay. So I'm just going to save that out. So once that is done, I can share my mobile hotspot by going back over here and by turning it on, or I can click on this button right over here and the mobile hotspot will turn on just like that. So now you'll be able to see the name TutorTube on your mobile devices. So you'll be able to connect that out over there from your mobile devices. You don't see it over here because I'm sharing with this system itself, but you'll be able to see it in your mobile device connected with this password and start using the internet. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.